Taking a look at the Luxe Bidet Neo 120 Plus. This is a bidet upgrade, so this will add on to your existing fixtures with almost no modifications. Well, no modifications really. This is how they ship. Pretty nice box. We'll open it up, take a look at it. We've got kind of quick how-tos up at the top there, how to get started. We've got the a gift. They give you a nice clear travel bag. That's pretty nice. It's got all the plumbing that we're going to need to tap from the existing water line before it hits the fixture, and then hook that up. The water goes into the back of the fixture here, and that's what supplies all the force necessary to run the wand. And then you got your controls. So this will go underneath the seat. It'll adjust to fit a wide variety there. And then the wand is subtly at the back of the basin. And you've got your controls, easy to use, over here to the side. Real well made. These are super popular. We want to thank Luxe for sending us this one to check out. It's pretty basic to install, but there are more detailed instructions with the user manual. That's what you get in the box, and in general, how to set it up. Hope this helps.